Hello, y'all. Hello, family. Hello, community. Hello, my viewers. Hello, my family. Hello, everybody. Good morning from the side. Good afternoon, good evening, good night, depending on the time this you come across this video, guys. So today I come with a very great news. I come with a very good vibe. I come with a very good opportunities for everyone because this is going to be for everyone, believe me. So, guys, this might sound a little bit, I don't know how, but okay. Actually, I thought of something. I thought like this year, actually, I do giveaway. I do support widows. I do support some women, some people, but I've never posted I've never posted the video. I don't post the video. I never come out, and also some orphanage. So, but I just think that what I'm doing is not that much. You know, when I travel to Nigeria, I travel back home, I see how everything is so expensive, how it's going in Nigeria. It's not that easy with anyone at all. Believe me, like the rate of things being expensive, and a lot of people can't even afford this. So I come to conclusion to put it upon myself that this year I want to give back more. I want to give to the community. I want to support families. I want to support, like, anyone, anybody is welcome to this, actually. But if so I want to take it upon myself, like, to go out there to make happy recycle. Yes, happy recycle. So this project, this community right now, it's called Happy Recycle. So I'm happy. I'll be so happy, and I am happy to do what I want to do. Like, to take it upon myself, like every week, twice or three times or four times in a week, to go out there, to go to event parties, event places where it's happening, to pick up cans like bottled water, any cans that is recyclable over here in Germany, to go and pick up those bottles. I will be making a video on how I'm going about it, how I'm picking the bottles, what is going on, my environment, and everything. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video. And at the end of the day, after picking this bottle, I don't know how many it's going to be. I don't know if there's going to be something. I don't know if there's not going to be something, because I noticed that a lot of people do this over here, maybe to live with her, to help people or to support people. But mine, I'm doing it to support people in need. I'm doing mine to be able to give back to the community in Nigeria, actually. And also, and after doing that, we go back to the counter, to the shop, we'll do the recycle, we'll see how much we make for that day, we'll save it, and at the end of the month, we'll see what we have made, and we'll look for people who are really in need of this money, not just to eat with it, because right now I don't know how much we're going to be getting. I don't know how much it will be, but let us see if it is something that could start up a business for somebody, that could put someone on, to do something, one or two, to start up anything. So that is the people, because we need people that can be able, that is ready to work, that is ready to start up something for themselves, no matter how small, no matter how big it is, so that they can be able to stand on their feet, so that they can be able to also help others. You understand? Because if we are just doing this just for people to eat, after eating, what next? So we cannot make money or look for money just to eat. We have to make money that we can use to make more money. You understand? So every month we'll come, we'll do our calculation of what we have and how much is it. Then we'll look for people that really need this money to invest in. And guys, only what you can do for me in this community, in this Happy Recycle community, is just for you to share, like, support me by subscribing. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, share this video, share this contact to everyone that you know that need help, that could queue into this community support. So, guys, and I'm looking forward to your comments. And like, this is a very big new project that I believe almost all my subscribers will be benefiting from it. And also, you have to always be active on the comment sections, because that is where I'm going to be selecting people that I think I'll be asking questions, going about it to help them. You understand? And also, I'll be helping random people on the street too. So those videos I'm going to be uploading here. Only what I want you guys to do for me in support back to the community is just to like, share, comment on this video. Okay, guys. So subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Subscribe to this happy recycle journey. Okay, guys. So I'm going to be taking you guys back to back on what I do. So today is Friday 14th. 14th, Lovers Day, February 14th. Everyone is out there, so looking for having fun with their loved ones and everything. For me, I'm here. What can I do? Nothing. Nobody by my side, but I have God and I have you guys. You understand? So I want to take this day because I believe outside today will be bubbling and things like that. So I will go out there and see what we can do, how many bottles we can pick in this day, maybe 2 hours, 3 hours. Let's see how many bottles we can pick, we can put together, and to see how much we can make for today, February 14. So guys, if you have loved ones out there, you're in a relationship, enjoy your relationship, have fun, and make sure this relationship is real relationship, not a fake one, guys, because there's a lot of fake people out there just want to be in a relationship because of one or two things that they are achieving or something like that. And also, it's so bad that people don't even understand who love them and who don't love them. But you cannot even change that because it's programmed on their head. They already have this program on their head on what they want to come and do in the relationship. So no matter what you give to these people, they will never be satisfied because they have their goals on their head, and which, by the grace of God, such people, they will never have peace in Jesus' name. Say amen to this. So guys, let's go. Guys, I think it's a little bit loud here. I don't know if you guys can hear me because I'm not with my microphone and I'm outside. Just finished from work. So I am at the train station trying to catch my train going back home. But I'm here riding with my bicycle actually. So I don't know. Like this is so I don't know, it's challenging for me actually. I don't know. I don't really know what to do. So I was standing here. I was supposed to have gone. There was a train that came before now. So but actually the train was full. So I decided like, okay, I shouldn't travel with that train. Let me wait for the one coming for 5 minutes. Why? Ask me why, guys. Guess what? So because I was standing here, so there was a guy at the other side. You can see that can there, that red can over there. So the guy finished drinking and he dropped the can inside the trash. So I was like, okay, then I can wait for the 5 minutes to come train while I turn over to pick up the can. Guess what? When I was guessing to do that, nobody was there. And now look at people. I'm so shy, like to go there, to turn there. Like this is what is blocking me and this other side. So I have to go towards that side, that place that you guys can see, to go over there to turn to get that bottle. But now me, I'm so shy. Why people are there watching for me to go there and dip my hand and pick. Please, I need encouragement, guys. Please, you guys should encourage me by liking this video, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. Guys, please subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. Subscribe for more. So as we're traveling, as I'm picking, I'll let you guys know. So the train has come now for the other side. I hope these guys will go so I can able to turn around to go and pick up the can. But there are still people over here. I don't know. Can I do this? Can I do this, guy? What do you think? What do you think? Please drop your comments. So I'm taking a walk already. I don't know if this is. Oh, my train is coming. Damn. I think, believe me, guys, this can is not for us. This can is not for us. So it's something like this. People go inside and check if there is can or something. As you can see, the trash bin is really neat. They change it every day, as you can see. So really, So that's my train coming. So I cannot decide not to go. So let me go, guys. Along the line, we'll see what more we can do and what else. So now the train is so full. I can't even drive with this train now. So I think this is my opportunity to go and pick up this can. Because why I cannot drive with this train is because of my bicycle. So if I go in there with the bicycle and a lot of people, I don't feel comfortable with my bicycle in there. So it's going to be so choking. So I don't know. Oh my god, a lot of people know. I think I just have to ride with my bicycle and check what is on the way. So finally I've turned. This is not where the guy dropped it. So the guy dropped it at that trash over there. And it's just one container, guys. And I'm finding it so hard to pick up. But yeah, to find money is not easy. They said money is in the shit. Owo inu belowa. So that's how Yoruba used to say it. So as you can see here, this is the can. But me putting my hand inside and picking it doesn't make no sense. So next time I will come more prepared, more good. So that is the fan that I told you about. So this is the fan. So this is the fan. So from this side you can recycle this fan. That bottle that you're seeing there, that the arrow is going left and right. So this is where and how you could recycle this. So I'm still going to show you guys how which kind of machine used to recycle this. So I think what I would do is that I'm going to ride with my bicycle home while we check out almost all the trash way home and see how many bottles we can pick from the trash way home. This is my bicycle, guys. Manage with me. Let's go. So this is where I fixed this one. I hope it doesn't get pressed, and if you get pressed, guys, the machine does not take it too, believe me. So I just hope we can do this, but I cannot hold my phone while I'm driving. But once I get to anywhere, I drop and make a video because it's so cold. I have to put on my hand gloves at this moment. So guys, this is the station I was telling you, the stadium, sorry, I was telling you guys about. So today there's nothing happening there. It's so dry, so dry. So there's no need of going in there to check for anything. So I'm still riding, and I think today cannot really work because I didn't really prepare for this. I prepared for it, but I don't even know what to take with me. That's another thing. So even if I can count right now, I don't have bags to use to carry it. That's another thing. So we have to postpone this to another day. Guys, please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. So but I'm still gonna be updating you guys till I get home. So this is only what we realized today. And here I am on the automatic, as you can see. So now we're going to know how much is one can cost. What happens? Now one command. Like, are you being serious? Oh, are they trying to tell me that this place is only for bottle or what? I don't know. Let's see what's the problem. So I'm now in another automatic. Let's see if it will go. Oh, this one went. That one is not good. So this is it. One bottle is 25 cents. As you can see, 25 cents times I don't know how many at the end of the month. Let's see, guys. Let's go. Going out shopping. So I'm picking some bread for tomorrow morning for breakfast. So I'm going to be going with this one. It's called Costone and is 5 cents. So this is where you get the bag. Different bag size, and you go here and take the picker, rise up, and just like that. I'm using just one hand, so I will end this video and continue again. So yeah, this is it. So today I'm not buying much. I did shopping yesterday, so what I'm going to be buying now is milk I need some fresh milk, so I'm going to be taking like 2 cans of milk. So I'm always, and again, this is the one I ate, 3.5. That's what I drink, guys. So they have low fat, which is 1.5. I prefer going for this. So I'm done shopping. I bought some egg yesterday. I bought some, yeah, so I have enough food at home. So we'll go and pay. So this is, we are going to be using it. So from everything I bought, you can see here, so they have to minus the 20, the, where is it? Yeah, the 25 cents out of it. So you see from the recycle. So tomorrow is another day, y'all.